Hello viewers, if you are struggling or finding it difficult on how to connect and program temperature control device that is here, I am here today to take us on the full application of how to connect it and make use of it. So let's look at, we have YL D2000, then we have the almighty RES C700 here. That's it. You can see the nameplates. Then we have another one here. This is another one. This is XMTD connection. You can see all of them here. Then on my table we have the thermocouple here. This thermocouple has two connection, positive and negative. Then I have my bulb here. I will use this bulb as the load to demonstrate what we have done at the end of the day. Then I will use this very supply cord that you are seeing here. Then my tools and a cup of water for cooling system. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we'll be starting with this particular XMTD. So this is the connection, but before we go into the connection, this XMTD temperature controller is a type of electronic device used to regulate and control temperature in various industrial processes. It is commonly used in applications such as heating, cooling, and temperature maintenance. That is, it maintains constant temperature depending on the programming where you want to use it. So you will achieve the exact temperature you set your device to. So let me show you the connection as we go. Looking at this particular terminals here, we have 12 terminals here. The terminals here are 12 in number. You have these two. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These two here are the supply, where you will connect the supply cord, 220 volts. You can see it's written. I don't know if you can see it very well. This is 220 volts. I don't know. Okay, yeah, it's very clear now. Then these three terminals here, 1, 2, 3. The terminals are for connection of the thermocouple, but we are going to use 1 and 2. You can see where it's written positive and negative, 1 and 2. Then on the down here, 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3 you are seeing here from the connection there, you can as well see that is normally closed and normally open. You have this one as the normally closed and have this one as normally open. These two are normally open. These are the two that we're going to make use of, because the main aim of doing this is for when this particular device is energized, this particular two contacts we now make for connection, the both of them we make. So this is what we are going to use right now. So I am going to show you how to connect it and apply it to for you to see how it works. So let's go there. So one other thing I need to let you know is that we need to connect, since we are going to connect our life here, we need to take life from here and feed to this particular normally open in order to power our circuit. Then one of the terminal, that is the neutral of the bulb, will come to the neutral here. So we are going to tap live from here and feed this one. It will come out from here. Then we now tap our neutral from this place. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm explaining. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, let's just start the process of connecting. First of all, let me connect the thermocouple. This is the thermocouple. This is it. Thermocouple is like is a probe, is a sensor that senses the heat It sends the heat through this particular point and send it to this very device. So let's do the connection. The neutral goes to the neutral. That is 1 and 2. I am connecting 2. Then I'm going to connect 1 right now. Then the next thing to connect is the supply cord. This is the supply cord. I am going to connect it right now. Supply cord is 220 volts. Yes. Now, having inserted the connection at the terminal of the device, let me introduce my load. I'm using this bulb. This is the bulb. I'm going to use it as a load. So the neutral should go to the neutral part of the supply. Then this is the life of the loads. Will come here. They normally open. You remember I told you guys that we're going to tap life from the supply. So let's get tap life from here. Okay. Then I am going to insert the life here to complete the circuit. So having satisfactorily done the connection, from my observation I will check. This is I've been able to connect the thermocouple. You can see the connection of the thermocouple here. Then this is the supply cord. This is the supply cord connected to live and neutral. Then this is the load we're talking about. That is the bulb. Connecting one of the neutral to this supply neutral. Then tapping from the live to this particular place to normally open, and this very one completing the circuit of the load. So I've been able to finish the connection. So what we are going to do now is to plug it on to feed current to it, to feed voltage into this very wall. Okay, I think it has come on. Yeah. So let's do a little demonstration. I am going to set this. I'm going to set it to 30. Let me set it to 30. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Okay, this is 30 right now. This is a set value, and this is the process value. So the process value is at 19 degrees. So let's see how it goes. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to exert some heat here. This is the probe, and this is the cup of water. You know we need cup of water for the cooling system for demonstration. Since this set value is at 30, I'm going to exert some heat here. Once this particular, you can see that the bulb is on. I don't know if you're seeing it. Okay. Okay, this is a bulb. Okay, the process value is at 21 now because it's sensing the room temperature. So it's increasing gradually from 19 to 21. So what we are expecting to see here is that once this particular process value gets to 30, this very device here will trip off. So it is designed to maintain a certain temperature. We have set this at 30. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to exert some heat here to make this particular probe to heat up, and it will send it to this device. Then I will cool it with water. Once it gets to 30, it's going to trip off. Let's see how it goes. It's 24, now 25, 26, you can see it's going up. 27, 28, once it's 30, 29, this is 30, the bulb has to trip off. So watch and see. I will now dip this into the water. I will dip it here. It will come on again, the temperature will go down. Yes, you can see it's now 26, 25, it's going down. Okay, right now let me exert some heat again and see. From 25 to 26 is going up. 28, 29, then this is 30. You can see once it's 30, it cuts off. Then let's dip it inside the water again. So you've been able to see how to connect this temperature control device. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification button. Thank you for watching.